nota.
Hello everyone and welcome back to Hats for Bats 2.
Keep bats warm.
My name is Josh.
And I'm J-Mac.
And we are here to tell you about all things hats. I want to thank everyone. Basically contacted us, told us that how much they're enjoying the show. Thank you very much. Please, it really helps if you could subscribe if you have not to the channel and leave a comment and also hit that like button on every video we make. We'd really appreciate it, right?
Yes, we would.
Today's episode, we're going to talk to you all about the 5 types of baseball hats. Would you like to start?
Sure.
All right, what's your favorite?
Well, I have the snapback right here. As you can see, the back is adjustable and you just snap it right in place.
Now, has that always been your favorite?
Yeah.
The style, would you say it's very stylish?
Yes.
Yes, okay.
It's like a fitted hat, it's just the back is different.
Do you ever wear it backwards?
It is a better backwards hat.
It is, because you like the hair coming out?
Yeah, it's a better back.
Some of the ones you have, I guess this isn't exact, because this is a 47, but the other ones, like your Seattle one,
Yeah,
it's exactly the same as mine. Like, you couldn't tell the difference that it was fitted or a snapback.
Exactly the same.
Yeah. My favorite is the fitted hat. Obviously, I'm a 7.5. I think it was 7 1/8 one, 7 2/3, or was it 3/4? I forget. But I've locked in now at 7.5 for a while. Almost every hat I love. Oh, it just fits. This is not the only type of fitted hat that you can get. So with fitted hats, so obviously you have to know your hat size. Then you can pretty much order them online. There's also, oh, I just dropped something. There's also Flex Fit. Okay, it is a fitted hat. The difference is it does I think a wide range of 4 sizes where you have extra small to small, small to medium, medium to large, large to extra large. So it's going to fit more people. For people who don't really know their size, they just know, hey, I want a large.
Yeah.
Next.
The dad hat.
Your favorite.
No, not at all.
We hate to call anyone out watching audience, but you might be wearing a dad hat, and that is because?
Because of the floppy material and this weird adjustable back.
They're very popular with people who don't wear hats, I noticed. Who don't
wear sports hats. They always have the dad hat.
Yeah. You see, I had to get, this is a Disneyland one, and of course I got it because they don't make it in any other format. Because I wanted a Disneyland hat, and I love the D on it. Feel this, the stitching is the same.
Yeah, it's the same.
It's the great same stitching, just on this terrible floppy hat. This is the Velcro hat. I see no difference between this, and as you can see, this is a Nats playoff from 2012. Didn't work out that year. And then the main difference, obviously, the Velcro, which you can put a logo on, it looks like. It's a 47 brand, so it's the same brand as that, and that's not floppy in the back. Oh, yeah, look, it has the 47. Apparently, this is the most popular today in 2020-30. Last one.
The trucker hat, it's basically the same as the snapback, as you can see, but it does have this, see-through mesh part, and, yeah, that's basically the whole difference.
The whole difference, yeah. The main thing is that this was stylish. Real trucker hats, though, this front is made of foam, which this is not.
The real ones.
Trucker hat, I think it always has a snapback.
Yeah.
Okay?
Sure.
That is the different styles that you can look for when you're getting your hat. It's time to bring in everybody's favorite guest, Austin! Welcome to the show. Decided to do something a little different with you today. No questions, okay? Well, it's sort of a question. We're going to ask you which player is wearing a high-profile hat and which one is wearing a low-profile, okay? Are you ready?
Yeah. Is this player wearing high or low profile? Low.
Survey says that is a high profile. See how it is high up?
Now, is this player wearing a high or low profile hat? High.
Is high your final answer?
Yeah. Is this player wearing a high or low profile hat?
Hi, is that your final answer?
Yeah! Before even...
Ming, ming, ming. Freddie Freeman loves his high profiles. All right, Austin, thank you so much for coming to the show. You have anything to say to all your fans?
I like you.
All right, have a great day. thank you for watching episode 3 of Hats for Bats 2.
Keep bats warm.
We have an Instagram that you can follow us at.
Hats for Bats YT.
And now we have a TikTok, which you can follow us at.
Hats for Bats YT.
We'd really appreciate it if you do hit that subscribe button. All you have to do is log in with a Google account. Please hit that thumbs up. That also really helps. And if you have the time and you just want to say something nice, please leave a comment. Thank you all, and remember, Hats for Bats 2.
Keep bats warm.
Bye.